Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this playlist, we are going to learn Python step by step. This playlist is made for QA engineers, developers, and anyone who wants to use Python for real work, not just theory. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need a computer science background. If you know basic programming ideas, you are already good enough to start. Why Python? Python is simple, powerful, and used everywhere. QA engineers use Python for automation, API testing, data validation, and test utilities. Developers also use Python for backend services, scripts, tools, and APIs. Python is also heavily used in AI, data, and automation workflows. So, learning Python is a long term skill, not a short term trend. In this playlist, we will focus on practical Python, not just syntax, not just definitions. We will learn Python the way QA and developers actually use it. You will understand how Python code really works, how to write clean and readable code, and you will also learn how to think like a programmer and how to apply Python in testing and development projects. I am a non-native English speaker just like many of you, so I explain things in a simple, clear, and slow way. My goal is that anyone from any country can understand and follow along. If something feels confusing, don't worry. We will build everything step by step. What you will learn in this playlist? We will start with Python basics like variables, data types, and conditions. Then we will move into functions, collections, and error handling. Later, we will cover object-oriented programming, files, and real examples. And slowly we will connect Python to QA automation, testing tools, developer workflows, and even modern use cases like APIs and AI scripts. Very important thing, you don't need to watch everything in one day. Watch one video, practice a little, come back tomorrow. Consistency matters more than speed. If this sounds useful to you, please subscribe to the channel. This helps the channel grow and tells YouTube that this content is valuable. Also, like the video and share it with someone who wants to learn Python for QA or development. So I will see you in the next video where we will set up Python properly and make sure your system is ready. No confusion, no outdated steps, just a clean and simple setup. Thanks for watching. Let's start learning Python together.